today I'm gonna make a quick video on how to make a teardrop. I'm sure you've all seen these awesome pictures of engine bays and exhaust coming out the hood. It has a pretty cool teardrop design to it. Well, there's an easy way to do it. I know it can sound and look confusing, but I'll show you how to turn a 90-degree elbow into a teardrop. What you'll start out with is a 90-degree bend, and what you can have afterwards is this. So, quick and easy way. I'll keep it sweet and short. Find the sharp edge, put this right up to the edge. And what you're gonna do is grab one of these, and you want to measure that gap. Tighten it down. Now all I'm gonna do is I'll have to put my phone down for this, but I'm gonna go around the edge and keep this as straight up and down as I can, and I'm gonna mark a few spots so I can trace it kind of like a dotted line. Now let me set my phone down and do this real quick, and then I'll show you. Alright, so it might be hard to see, but you can see it sort of looks like a dotted line, right? Now all I did was I used this to hold on the bottom. I used the sharp point of this side, and I just scratch little lines into the stainless steel. Now what I'll be able to do is take a marker, trace around that. We'll do that real quick. Alright, so I took a marker and I traced my lines. I picked my middle right here, and I brought my lines from here in. Now after I cut this, I'll be able to shape it a little bit better, give it a little more of a teardrop look, clean it up, clean the edges up. Now my favorite tool is an angle grinder. And all I do is I wear safety glasses and gloves, and I basically just start here and I watch my wheel as it cuts. And I cut in with the line, and then I just do one side at a time. And what you're left with is a teardrop. Then grab a flappy disc like this, clean the edges up. If you want to give it a little bit of more of an arch in here with the flappy disc, you can. Surprisingly, the flappy disc takes down the stainless steel pretty quick, and you can give it a nice point. And what you'll have at the end, a nice teardrop.